AI can say things like this and totally mess up like this. Today, I'm teaching you how to use AI to practice real Italian conversations and make you sound natural. I'm Maria, native English speaker, hailing from New York, who learned Italian from complete scratch. AI didn't exist when I started learning Italian, so I had to figure out what actually works for me in real conversation. And now I teach thousands of people right here on this channel and inside my Italian Toolkit program how to speak Italian without overthinking every single word. Numero uno, tip number one, AI helps you practice, but it cannot learn the language for you. AI can give you as many phrases or words as you please. It's so helpful for that. But if you don't know how Italians actually say words and phrases in real life, you'll just sound plain weird. This is why so many people say that they've been studying Italian for 500 days, but they still can't speak it. So AI can 100% give you the vocabulary, but you still need the structure, pronunciation, and real life phrasing. To do this, immerse yourself a little bit every single day, even for 5 minutes. Listen to a podcast on your way to work. Turn your phone language into Italian. I have a student who did that. Listen to Italian content creators. Read a recipe in Italian. Whatever helps you hear the language with humans speaking it. Numero due, tip number two, AI can boost your confidence if you use it strategically. Most people use AI totally wrong. They'll say something like, teach me Italian. That is so vague. Then it spits out something totally random and one size fits all, which if you're subscribed to this channel and you've been watching for a while, know that that's not effective. Here's how to make AI help you in an authentic way. You can get instant translations for emergency situations. If something happens in Italy that you're just totally unprepared for, you can use AI in that moment and it'll give you an instant translation. Another way would be to use it as a drill partner. So you could do a practice dialogue with it. That's pretty decent. AI is good for exposure and consistency and practice here and there. But again, that real confidence you want comes from a real human speaking. It does not make up for that in any sort of sense. That leads me to tip number three, numero tre. AI does not replace human interaction. It can prepare you for it. If you're watching me right now, you know our goal is to be able to get you talking to relatives, make friends in Italy, order food without anxiety, and jump into conversations without freezing. AI can help you rehearse all of these. It can help you prepare for those moments. We use dialogue practice inside the Italian Toolkit program, and AI does a really good job helping us out with real life conversational dialogues. So when you go to Italy, it's important to remember that conversation happens between you and another human. Only in a real conversation like that will you get to practice real conversation, practice responding fast in a normal manner and with a proper intonation. Like I said, my entire teaching method is about real conversation and connection with people. AI, we use it as a tool inside the program, not as our main method. You always want the main method to be guided practice, corrections, speaking drills, and building a conversational base that works with real life Italian. Numero quattro, tip number four, you'll love me for this one. Use AI to customize Italian to your life. This is how I teach inside the Italian Toolkit program and how I've been teaching for over 8 years now. Don't learn random textbook Italian that somebody else wrote for you. Why not use AI to create Italian sentences and phrases that fit your life and use those as practice? I'm always saying time and time again, study the Italian that fits your life, your situations that you will find yourself in. We all have a different reason for learning Italian, so learn that Italian. That's what helps you feel good about the progress you're making. Tell AI things like your job, your hobbies, the situations that you know you'll have in Italy. For example, if you're going to the Colosseum and you want to ask some locals for good recommendations for restaurants around, which is such an authentic, cool thing to do, then you can type into AI that exact situation. I want to go to Rome and be able to ask the locals for restaurant recommendations. And it will give you phrases to prepare you for that. I could go on and on about practicing the Italian that fits your life because it is just a theory that a lot of other people do not teach. So this is where AI will shine for you. You can use it to practice the Italian that will help you and apply to your life. It can help you personalize things and prepare you for the moments, but you also need direction so you don't waste your time on useless phrases that you'll never say. Numero 5, number 5, the winning formula for 2026. If you want to be conversational in 2026, here is our winning combo. Tools for practice, like AI, a structured method for growth, plus real-life human feedback for correction and confidence. That's the exact formula my students follow, and it's why they're able to finally go from 0 to speaking with relatives, traveling confidently throughout Italy, and really connecting with people on a deeper level. Have you used AI to learn Italian? Did it help? Let me know in the comments. And if you are listening to this thinking, yup, this is exactly why nothing I've tried has actually helped me talk to people, then click the link below for my free Italian lesson for beginners. I'll show you strategies as a native English speaker myself who learned Italian from scratch on how to sound completely natural and confident when you speak. If you want to practice with some specific prompts to give AI, then click this video right here. Ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao!